Milvus 2.4 has arrived, offering multi-vector search, sparse vector, and Kagra index. It's an open-source vector database for Gen AI applications. Install Milvus with pip and scale to billions of vectors with high-speed searches. Milvus comes in 3 deployment options: light, standalone, and distributed. It integrates with AI tools like LangChain and OpenAI. Milvus is chosen by developers for its efficient similarity search, making it ideal for image retrieval systems. It's also perfect for machine learning and recommendation systems. Milvus is trusted for production workloads and offers guided notebooks for development. It's scalable, fast, reusable, and has a supportive community. Milvus is loved by developers for its vector database capabilities. Join the community and explore Milvus today. Introducing Notion AI, the all-in-one AI tool that revolutionizes productivity. It integrates seamlessly within Notion, offering search, generation, analysis, and chat functionalities. Search across Notion, Slack, Google Drive, and more for comprehensive answers. Generate documents in your unique style and edit with ease. Analyze PDF and images to gain valuable insights. Chat with the AI, powered by GPT-4 and Claude for a wealth of knowledge. Notion AI is priced at $8 per member per month, billed annually, or $10 per month, billed monthly. It references multiple knowledge sources for trusted information and offers personalized responses. Import knowledge from any app to enhance its capabilities. Notion AI also excels in writing in various languages, creating diagrams, translating, and improving writing quality. It turns databases into actionable insights, ensuring data discretion with secure encryption and advanced permissions. It complies with GDPR, CCPA, and is SSE2 and ISO 27001 certified. Notion AI is ready to assist with daily tasks, offering a free trial for new users. Introducing Prepared Assist, the AI-powered solution revolutionizing 911 call processing. This innovative tool streamlines information gathering and enhances collaboration between consoles, making call processing 50% faster. With a single screen summarizing every call's essentials, telecommunicators can focus on what truly matters. Prepared Assist offers transcription, insights, translation analytics, and workflows, all powered by AI models trained on millions of calls. It's interoperable, working seamlessly with any existing setup without disrupting workflows. Trusted by over 950 SAPs, Prepared protects over 85 million people and has analyzed over 4 million calls. Testimonials from professionals highlight its ease of use, accuracy, and impact on training programs. Ready to bring assistive AI to your SAP? Get in touch with Prepared today. Ramp's latest analysis reveals AI as the fastest growing expense in Q2. Companies are increasingly integrating AI for efficiency and new capabilities. Ramp's database now lists over 1,500 AI vendors. Chart 1 shows customers using AI vendors for longer periods, indicating growing trust in AI value. Chart 2 highlights a 375% increase in mean AP spend with AI vendors since the start of the year. Chart 3 points to doubled card spend with AI vendors, suggesting ongoing experimentation. Chart 4 shows Anthropic gaining significant market share in AI models. Chart 5 indicates rapid growth in AI productivity tools and OpenAI alternatives. Ramp's data-driven insights help businesses make informed decisions about AI investments. In a groundbreaking collaboration, Runway and Lionsgate have joined forces to harness the power of AI in film production. This partnership aims to create a unique AI model trained on Lionsgate's extensive film catalog. The goal is to assist filmmakers and directors in enhancing their creative process with AI-generated cinematic content. Runway's suite of tools will allow for further refinement of this AI-generated content. Lionsgate's Vice Chair Michael Burns sees AI as a tool to augment current operations and is excited about its potential in pre- and post-production. Runway's CEO, Cristobal Valenzuela, envisions AI as a medium for artistic expression, with the best stories yet to be told. They are also considering licensing these AI models to individual creators. Lionsgate is a leading content company with a vast library and a culture of innovation. Runway is committed to providing powerful tools for artists and studios. Together, they are exploring the future of filmmaking. Discover the AI Source Launcher, a cutting-edge low-code solution that revolutionizes CS development. Experience AI-driven customization with full code access for ultimate flexibility. Generate copy style and customize your SaaS MVP with generative AI, streamlining development. Build effortlessly with advanced low-code framework. Integrate seamlessly with modern tech stacks like Next.js and Tailwind. Own your code with full access to the codebase for customization and scaling. Launch your MVP with everything built in, saving you time and effort. Why wait? With the AI SaaS launcher, you can reduce time to market while maintaining quality and control. Empower your growth with AI-generated websites and customizable code. Focus on your core business while AI handles the technical aspects. Enjoy scalable freedom with code ownership. Launch your SaaS with ease, speed, and affordability. Transform your SaaS launch with AI and start generating revenue today.